90 days. He said, boy, you must be crazy. I'm gonna fix you for hitting that lady. I said, Judge. He said, shut up. Boy, you should know better than that. So I didn't get to tell him she had hit me with the baseball bat. He gave me a hard sentence. Everybody treated me so unkind. You can bet I'll never hit another woman when I'm through serving time. I'm going to pawn my knife and pistol, 'cause my hand got me in awful jam. Then I'm going back and get my baby, 'cause I got myself to blame. He gave me hard sentence. Everybody treat me so unkind. You can bet I never hit another woman when I'm through serving time.